This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Wednesday, April 2nd. I'm recording this at 4:35 New York. Trump has begun his Make America Wealthy speech in the Rose Garden, and prices are moving quite a bit. We erased 8 hours of the cash session in one 5-minute bar after hours. Pretty insane. So let's jump into today's session, and I'll try to cover what happened during the cash session, but what's happening after hours really is going to set the tone for tomorrow. But taking a quick look at breadth, we had 112 new highs on the NYSE versus 413 new lows. 70% were advancing versus 26% declining. 72% were below the 50-day and 65% were below the 200-day moving average. Now, it was kind of similar to yesterday where we had a sell-off before the open and a reversal after the open. Very similar thing happened today. The Dow closed the day up 235 points or 0.56%. The NASDAQ closed up a strong 151 points or 0.87%. And the S&P closed up 37 points or 0.67%. But I'm telling you right now, all of those gains have been erased in one 5-minute candle after hours with this tariff news. Let's see, what else can I kind of pull out for you? So during the cash session, the Dow, when you take a look at when it was up at its peak, the names that were leading were Goldman Sachs, Amazon, American Express, Home Depot, Caterpillar, J&J, Walmart, and JP Morgan. What else kind of stood out during the cash session? We had 3 profitable companies making new highs on the NASDAQ. And taking a quick look at sector analysis for the session, this is all obviously before the close. Consumer cyclical was up the most, 1.4%. Industrials was up 0.7%. Financials was up 0.6%. Healthcare 0.5%. Tech 0.45%. Utilities 0.36%. Real estate 0.16%. Communication services and consumer defensive led to the downside. In the S&P, on the upside, you had Caesars Entertainment up 6.2%, Leidos Holdings up 6%, GE Vernova 5.2%, Tesla 4.69%, CarMax 4.4%, United Airlines 4.3%, Deckers Outdoors 4.1%, Builders FirstSource 4.1%. In the NASDAQ, you had Tesla up 4.7%, Atlassian 4.08%, DoorDash 3.9%, Discovery, ticker symbol WBD, 3.7%, Constellation Energy, CEG up 3.5%, Global Foundries was up 3.2%. I'll leave the rest for the show notes. To the downside in the S&P, you had Hershey's.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not Your Advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.